Hello to you. Happy What's Up Wednesday from Great Falls. I'm Shannon with Visit Great Falls. Two helpers with me today, Maya and Watson, because one of the events we're talking about is happening right here at West Bank Park for the dogs coming up this Friday. It is the DogDash. They are bringing their obstacle course, doggy ice cream, all kinds of stuff to Great Falls. So if you're traveling with your dog, you live here with your dog, come. No prior skill level required for these dogs. Just bring them out. They can come hang out here at West Bank Park on Friday evening. Of course, also happening this week, it's the Montana State Fair. Behind us here, behind West Bank Park, over at Montana Expo Park. There's still a lot of acts to come, including Tapeface, Jeff Dunham, and the Newsboys, and 4 nights of rodeo action kick off starting tonight. Also happening tonight, 2 films, a doubleheader celebrating the ranching and Western way of life. That is free, and the first 50 people get a free drink with it. You can watch those films put on by Smith & Rogue at Elevation 3330 in downtown Great Falls. Of course, the Great Falls Municipal Band, a free concert, 7 o'clock tonight at the Gibson Park Bandshell. Check out the Farmers Market on Saturday and an evening Farmers Market at Lions Park on Thursday evening. And this Friday, it's the First Friday Art Walk. This is happening throughout the summer, the first Friday of the month. It's a chance for you to see some of the art galleries in downtown and throughout Great Falls. Different ones are open at different times, and you can see a full list of those on the First Friday Art Walk Facebook page. We also have that listed on our inventory. It's from 6 to 9 this Friday evening. And then on Saturday, it's a chance to watch a movie outdoors at Giant Springs State Park, family friendly, over the hedge. It starts at 9:15 in the evening. Bring your own chairs and snacks. For much more on things to do in Great Falls with your dogs or anytime, head to visitgreatfallsmontana.org. You can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and our podcast, We're No Damn Experts. We'll see you here soon.